Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me give you a quick update of what's going on in the last 24 hours. Fran found a corker of a property in Abruzzo. We've put an offer in before we've actually physically seen it in person, and the guys accepted our offer, and we said as long as when we come out and see it in person it's as is listed. So we now have a last minute flight tonight from Stansted to Pescara. Yeah, let's go and see it. Could this actually be our dream home in Italy? Only one way to find out.
First time around was a sinner, and you let me know. Second time around was a winner, now it's raining gold. Champagne showers laced with poison, how am I the last to know? Third time around was a given, but did I need any more than I've already got?
It's the morning of the viewing. This could be decision day. We've spent some 6 months searching for properties. We must have spoken to 30 to 40 estate agents. We have viewed hundreds and hundreds of properties online, and about 20 to 30 properties in person. We've travelled over 10,000 miles, and we have also negotiated on more than one house, and it hasn't worked out for us. Have we finally found our piece of Italian heaven? Join us next week to find out.